Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at Publix, about to get into some really good deals this week, but we should be pretty quick and easy in here. Y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. First deal I'm going to be grabbing is a Swag Bucks offer. So this week the Weber seasonings are buy one get one free. They're priced at $2.79 in my store. So when we buy two of them for $2.79, we can submit back for $2.50 on Swag Bucks on two. That is going to make our final cost just 29 cents for two of these seasonings, which is a definite stock up price. So I'm going to max out this deal and I'm going to pick up 4 bottles. The next thing we're going to be grabbing is some of these Clorox daily shower cleaners. So these are $3.79, and then we do have $1 peelies that you may be able to find at some of your stores. If you look through on some of these bottles, they are kind of just randomly back there on a lot of the cleaners at my location. So with this, these are $3.79. I'm going to use the $1 coupon. It's going to bring them down to $2.79 each. But then I'm going to be submitting back for a $6 on two rebate on Swag Bucks, and you want to look at this rebate and see everything that's included. There are a lot of different Clorox varieties, but that should make each one of these completely free, plus a 21-cent moneymaker. Now at Publix, a lot of the Swag Bucks rebates do have to go into review, so do keep that in mind that it may not be an automatic rebate. We'll see how this one works, but it should work out just fine. So we're going to test this and see if we can get ourselves some free Clorox cleaners. The next thing I'm going to be grabbing is 2 of these Carvana pet carpet stain remover. So we're going to pick up 2 of these for BOGO $6.09. My store doesn't have the tag up, but each one of these will ring out for like $3.05. I do have a $1 hang tag coupon that'll bring me down at $2.05, and then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $2, making this just 5 cents. We're also going to be picking up some of these Aleve 90 count. So these are going to be completely free. They are marked down on clearance for $5.44. I talked about this deal before. We do have a $3 coupon, so that's going to make these $2.44, and then the Publix coupon in the green savings flyer will take off another $2.50, making these completely free. So I'm going to do this deal twice. We'll use 2 of these green flyer coupons plus 4 of these $3 coupons and get all 4 boxes for completely free. The next thing I'm going to be grabbing is 2 of these Excedrin tension headaches. So these are on clearance at my store for $2.39. I'm going to be using the $1 printable coupon from the Excedrin website to make them only $1.39. Since school is getting out in a couple weeks, I wanted to go ahead and start getting stocked up on snacks, so I decided to do this deal on the Lay's. So we have a brand new 3 off of 5 coupon for Lay's and Pepsi products that does work on these chips that are buy one get one free this week. So you can either grab the regular kind for $4.79 BOGO, or you can get the kettle cooked, which come out a little bit cheaper since they're $4.19 BOGO. If you were to pick up 5 of the kettle cooked chips, they would be just $1.49 per bag after the 3 off of 5 digital coupon. If you pick up 5 of the regular ones, they come out to $1.79 each. This next deal was a little bit impromptu because I noticed that we had these coupons right in front of the Johnson & Johnson's products. And these products are on a sale this week where if you buy 2, you will get $3 off. So I wanted to see how everything would work out combining this coupon with the sale. Now also keep in mind, if you cannot find this coupon in your store, you can also print these coupons off if you go on the Aveeno website and sign up for coupons. And when you sign up for coupons, you just have to make sure to select that you're interested in baby offers, and they will actually email you a $2 printable coupon that is good on Johnson & Johnson products as well. So that is another option if you do not have this coupon in your store. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up 2 of these for $4.79. We should save $3 instantly with the sale, and then we're going to use 2 of the coupons that are right in front of the product. That's going to make our final cost just $2.58 for 2 of them. I don't need any steak sauce right now, but be on the lookout for this tear pad coupon if you do. The big bottles of A1, so this is the 10-ounce bottles, they are on BOGO this week for $7.19. We had $1 off of 2 tear pad coupon that you may be able to find at your store as well. So with this coupon, these will come out to just $3.09 each. So I decided not to do this deal on the Lysol because my store conveniently did not have any of the ones that are 226 left on the shelf. I think they pulled them off, you guys, because it's a really good deal if your store does have these that are 226. So when you pick up 3 of the ones that are 226 and you get the $5 off instantly at the register for buying 3, that'll make your final cost for 3 bottles only $1.78 or 59 cents each. The next thing I'm gonna grab is some fresh green beans. I don't have any coupons for this product, but with the buy one get one free sale, it'll be just $1.75. So this deal on the bacon might be the best deal this week in my opinion, especially if you have this 10 off of 30 digital coupon that was available to download last week. So you had to have already downloaded it because they have taken it off so that it's no longer available for new downloads. But this week, the bacon is priced as low as $6.58. It's $6.58 BOGO for the cheaper packs at my store. The more expensive ones are like $8.99. We're gonna get this thick cut because it is $6.58, and I'm gonna pick up a total of 5 packages of them. Now the reason I can buy 5 is because I live in a state where these are gonna ring out for half price. But if you live in a state where they're gonna ring out actually buy one get one free, so one will ring out for 0, then you may want to buy an even number. But whichever number you buy, what you're trying to do is get your total to $30 without the sale. So whatever the total would be to make it $30 without the buy one get one free sale is where you want to be. So 5 packs at $6.58 total me up to $32.90. With the buy one get one free sale, that's going to bring me down to $16.54. Then the 10 off of 30 digital coupon is applying because the pre-sale total is over $30. So that makes my final cost for 5 packs of bacon only $6.45. That breaks down to only $1.29 each. So with this, it's like you're paying for 1 pack and getting the other 4 completely free. One deal I do not need this week is on the ice cream. So this week, the Ben & Jerry's, these are buy one, get one free, $5.99. I still have a freezer full of ice cream from the Ebates deal last week, so that is why I did not do this. But $5.99, and then we have a $2 off of 2 digital. That'll make it just $3.99 for 2 or $1.99 each, which is definitely a great price for this. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my Publix haul for this week. I'm going to do a couple different transactions and ignore that sleep medicine I have back there. I actually got that to resell on eBay. That is a clearance item, but I'm going to do 2 separate transactions. I'm going to do my swag bucks items on 1 ticket, and then I'm going to do everything else on a separate ticket just to keep it clean because y'all know how swag bucks is. So we're going to go up and do that now. Let's see how this deal works out. All right, you guys, so let's review these transactions. As I mentioned, I did split up these transactions. So I did the swag bucks items by themselves. And just like I thought might happen, the Tilex I did have to submit for review. So do keep that in mind that you'll have to submit that for a review in order to be credited. The Weber, it went through just fine with no problem. So my subtotal was $14.74 for that transaction. And then after we get back the $17, when that comes back in a few days, that transaction will be a $2.26 moneymaker. And then for my second transaction, my subtotal was $25, and then I got back a total of $6.10 from Ibotta, making that transaction cost $19.67. So final breakdown for this card is $17.41, which I am super pleased with because we got 5 packs of bacon, we got a ton of medicine, we got cleaners, we got chips, we got seasonings. Not a bad week at all. Almost $140 worth of product for $17. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.